Welcome to our channel where today we tackle how to fix common verification problems with America First Credit Union quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel where today we tackle how to fix common verification problems with America First Credit Union quickly and easily. If you're facing verification issues with America First Credit Union, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will walk you through an easy and effective way to solve these problems so you can access your account without hassle. First, begin by double-checking all the information you entered during the verification process. Make sure your name, date of birth, address, and social security number match exactly what the credit union has on file. Even small discrepancies can cause verification failures. Next, ensure that your internet connection is stable and secure. Sometimes verification problems occur because the connection drops or isn't reliable. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if this resolves the issue. After verifying your details and connection, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try a different browser altogether if you're using the website. For mobile app users, force close the app and reopen it, or even reinstall the app to reset any glitches. If you are using a mobile device, confirm that your app or browser is updated to the latest version available, since outdated versions can cause verification errors. Once these preliminary steps are done, collect any necessary documents that may be required to prove your identity, such as a driver's license, utility bill, or passport. Keep these handy in case the credit union requests additional proof of identification. Then, attempt the verification process again slowly and carefully. If the problem persists, contact America First Credit Union's customer service directly. You can reach them via phone or secure messaging through their official site. When speaking with a representative, explain the problem clearly, mention the troubleshooting steps you've taken, and be prepared to provide any additional personal information or documents they might ask for. They are equipped to help resolve most verification problems from their end. Finally, once your verification is successful, consider setting up two-factor authentication or updating your contact information to prevent similar issues in the future. This extra security helps streamline identity confirmation and keeps your account safe. Following these steps should make fixing America First Credit Union verification problems a straightforward experience. Remember, patience and careful attention to detail are key. If this guide helped you, stay tuned for more tips and solutions designed to make your financial experiences smoother and worry-free. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support our community and keep receiving useful content.